Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to delete your ride history in the Rapido app. So let's get right into it. First, open your Rapido app either on your Android or on your iPhone or any device which you have downloaded on. Now, tap on Ride section. Here you will see all your past ride. Unfortunately, Rapido doesn't have a direct option to delete ride history, but don't worry, I'll show you some alternatives. Now, the best way to delete your ride history is to contact the Rapido support. Here's how. Tap on the menu icon, go to Help and Support. Select Ride History Issues. Choose Request to delete ride history. Submit your request and wait for the response. Now, the other method will be if you really need to erase all history, you can delete your Rapido account. But keep in mind, this will remove everything. So simply go to Settings, Privacy, select Delete My Account and confirm deletion and re-register if you need it. So, while you can't delete while you can't directly delete ride history, you can request support or delete your account if necessary. Hopefully, this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.